Hey, what's up? This is Jeff from looppacks.com. It's tutorial time. Let's go. What's going on, folks? Today we're going to be working in Dr. Octo Rex Loop Player, and we're going to be working more in the sequencer with the Rex file as opposed to up in the actual rack. So we're going to grab any loop. Alright, that's fine. And what we're going to do is hit this little copy loop to track. That's going to put the different slices of the track down into the sequencer for us to play with, similar to MIDI files, kind of, but not really. So we're going to go up into the Rex player and make sure this enable loop playback button is off. Definitely make sure this run button is off. And we're going to make our way down here to play with this. So you can actually see what the loop looks like as you play it. Right, it looks like this person set this loop up to be 35 slices. So they're just played in this order as the sequencer plays. So if the loop's a little boring or you want to do your own custom ending, what we can do is, well, what I like to do is drop out usually the last quarter or so of a bar, something like that, and then find an instrument inside the file in one of the slices. All right, 23 sounds good. So we're going to go up here and set something somewhere near the right size, probably a quarter. What I say, 23, so we'll do something like that, and something like that, something like that. Now when we play the loop, you should notice, well, you fucking better notice, that the end is different. Here we go. Alright, and now if we had that looping and we were doing it the right way, it would sound like this. And then clearly you can get more intricate inside here. If you want to drop another instrument on top of the hits you have here, you just find another one in here in your slice index. I don't even know what I just did. Let's see how this plays out. It's not the worst, but you get the idea. You could actually, and sometimes I do this just to be annoying when I'm making minimal EDM, techno, or what have you. I'll take the first kick and just go crazy with it. Well, hopefully not like that, like this, right? And you can also use this to make build-ups. We probably could just go right into a build-up tutorial right now. If you're watching what I'm doing, I'm just playing with the first slice, changing it from an eighth note down to a 16th, or I'm sorry, from a quarter down to an eighth, playing with it throughout the little 8 bars that I have here to make something that sounds like a typical EDM build-up. See what else we could play with here. I think we could do slice 2. I think we could do it like this. Oh shit, I think I did it a little mistake there. Alright, let's see what this is like. And then let's drop these two off on the end. Nice. So now we actually have a decent buildup that if we were going to drop before this beat would actually work. Screw it, let's go the whole way with it, right? My snare. Alright, where's the snare going to be on this? Alright, so we'll hit it right there. It's generally not the best idea to work on it while it's looping. I don't really know why I'm doing that. That's a really shit idea. See, now I feel funny about them last couple of bass hits too. So let's clear off the whole last quarter, right? And now we're gonna... I'm just showing you examples. This is not how you build a song. This is not how you build a... I don't know. It's not really how you... it's not really how you build anything. I'm just trying to show you how this will flow together. So if we were gonna import another row of this untouched beat so we could see how it mends together with the build we just made, I'm gonna come up here and pop another bar down. Hopefully that went where I want it, and it did. So now it would be something along the lines of this. And then it goes right into the beat nicely. Now there's a lot more you could do to play around with this if you were really doing a real build up. I actually didn't even know that's what was going to happen with this tutorial. I just wanted to show off playing with the slices. So this is how you play with them down here in the sequencer. Put your dots, and there it is. Peace out.
Looppacks.com